Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I'm going to be cooking out of the second edition cookbook, and it's called Yummy Corn on the Cob. So we're going over to some friends' houses later, and we're having chicken, and I'm doing sides. So I've got my potatoes boiling for baked potato, mashed potatoes. I don't know what you call them, but that's kind of what I call them. And so now I'm going to make some corn on the cob. Going crazy. Okay, so it says you'll need a large Reynolds oven bag, flour, water, butter, grated parmesan cheese, seasoned salt, pepper, and corn. So let's get down here and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so it says that you need 2 tablespoons of flour. And I don't know about you, but I think, well, maybe your measuring cups and spoons are not in the dishwasher, but I think mine are. So I'm going to use a teaspoon to make a tablespoon. So if you don't know, it is 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, and I need 2 tablespoons. So I need 6 teaspoons. God, that's a lot of math, y'all. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's right, 6. Isn't that right? 2, 3, yep, 6. Okay. And then it says to hold the bag closed and shake it to coat the inside of the bag. So we're just coating the inside of the bag with the flour. And I think it's not really sticking to the bag, but I'm shaking it up anyway. Okay, so it says you place the bag in a 9 by 13 inch microwave safe dish, and I don't have a microwave big enough to hold a 9 by 13 safe dish. So I'm just gonna set that over to the side like that. Okay. In a small bowl, mix together the water, butter, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Microwave it long enough just to melt the butter. Okay, so I've got half a cup of water, but that is not a big enough bowl for what I need to do. So, all right, bowl. Half a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of butter, which is a half a stick, just in case you don't know. We're doing math, y'all. I think that's right. 4 tablespoons is a 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's a half a stick. Okay. So, and I'm gonna cut this up just a little bit. It didn't say to do it, but if you're sticking it in there just to melt the butter, then it'll melt a little bit faster that way, I would guess. Okay, so, y'all, I'm sorry, I gotta go back and read this. Okay, butter, Parmesan cheese, and I need, oh, I put too much flour in there. I needed 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, not 2 tablespoons of flour. So, I haven't done nothing to this flour, so I'm just gonna take out 1 tablespoon, which is 3 teaspoons. It still didn't coat anything. It's still as clear as whatever. Anyway, okay. So Parmesan cheese, I need 2 tablespoons, and which is 6 teaspoons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count, y'all. Aren't y'all impressed? I am. Some days I'm super impressed that I can count to 6. Okay, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. And it says 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Yeah, I ain't got no 1/8 of a teaspoon. But it calls for 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So let me find that. Okay, I got 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm gonna do 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, it's not regular salt. Oops, it's seasoned salt, which I have right here. Okay, I was wondering why I hadn't got that out already. Okay, seasoned salt. I need 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and it's just like seasoned salt. So, and then it calls for 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So I'm just gonna, I'm sorry, 1/8 teaspoon. So I'm just gonna do it like that and call it good. Okay, now you just microwave it long enough just to melt the butter. Okay, so I'm gonna go stick this in the microwave for probably about 30 seconds. I don't know how long it's gonna take to melt butter. So we'll do it for 30 seconds and see if that's melted. But while that's doing that, I got fresh corn because it's summertime and you can find fresh corn. So I don't know how the best way to do this is. I'm just gonna cut it like that. I don't know how to peel these. I don't know. It seems like my mom had a trick to peeling them so that all the hair would come off. But maybe I don't know that trick. I don't know, but I think you're supposed to peel it down. Nope, that doesn't help. I thought maybe you peeled it down and it got all the little hairs out. But I don't think that works either. I don't know. If y'all know a trick to get all the little hairs out of the corn, like all those little, we call them hairs. I don't know what y'all call them, but they look like little hairs. So if you know if you know a tip to get all the little hairs off the corn, I'd appreciate it if you let me know in the comments how to do that, because I don't know. So we're gonna be picking hairs out of our teeth for a while. So I'm just gonna cut that there and call that 1. Okay, so and I've got a lot more to do, so let me check on this butter. Nope, 30 seconds did not melt all the butter, so I'm gonna go melt it some more. We'll do it for another 30 seconds. Okay, let's see if I can. I don't remember how to do it. Seems like my mom and I had a corn shucking contest a few years ago, and she whooped me because, like, they used to do it for fun. I mean, I guess we did it for fun too, but they used to, like, that's how they passed their time when they were kids. Felt sorry for them, but we had a blast and we shucked a lot of corn. I think it was on the 4th of July that we did that. But we had gotten corn from a farm somewhere and gotten like a 50-pound bag of corn or something like that. I don't remember. But it was like 80 or 90 ears of corn. And we sat there and we had a good time. That pepper, come on, get to me. Okay, so I'm gonna say that butter is almost melted. We're gonna call it melted. If it sits there a little bit longer, it'll melt. I'm for sure of it. Okay, so it says, pour the mixture into the oven bag and you arrange the corn in a single layer. And then you roll them around to coat with the mixture. So I'm gonna finish working on this corn. And I don't know why I'm cutting that end off. I might not be cutting this end off. Okay, this piece of corn might not be cut the whole way. We're just gonna leave that like that because that's a pretty good corn. So I'm gonna finish peeling up these I'm gonna finish shucking the corn, and then we'll get back to what we're doing. Okay guys, now that I've got all of my corn shucked, I almost said peeled again. Now that I got all of that done, I've got my bag of flour that still is not coating in this. So if you know how to get it to coat inside that, let me know, because it's not coating. Okay, so you pour this mixture into this bag. Oh, there's some stuff down in there. Y'all see that? So I'm having to swish it around so that it gets all the good stuff out. Okay, so do that. And then it says to put the corn in, it says to lay it in a single layer, but then you're fixing to mix this thing up. So, okay. So it says arrange the corn in a single layer. And then it says to roll around to coat each ear with the mixture. So, rolling it around. Okay. Looks like it's good and coated, I guess. Okay. And then it says to close the oven bag with a nylon tie provided. Oh, I gotta find the box. Okay. Box. Don't. Okay. I didn't open the box right. I opened it at the end, and it's supposed to be open in the middle. So, whoops. Okay. Ah, there it is. I was like, there is no nylon, nothing. Okay. So, this is kind of like a zip tie thingy. So, over here. So, you do it like that. And then, so that's as tight as that's going. Okay, so dump that over one more time. Okay, and then it says cut 6 1/2-inch slits in one side of the bag, and you microwave it on high power for 9 to 14 minutes. And then it says about 12 minutes in parentheses. Then you let the corn stand in the bag for about 2 minutes, and then you open it and you enjoy. So I'm gonna stick this in the microwave and cook it. And I'm gonna do it for 12 minutes because that's what it says in the parentheses. So, and then we'll see where we get from there. Oh, I gotta cut slits in the bag. And then I need to put it in I need to put it something that'll hold it. I guess if I just do the slits up like that, that'll hold it, right? That ain't gonna, like, yeah, I don't know. I might have to be cleaning my microwave in a little bit. 6 slits. So, I don't know how to tell if they're 1/2-inch slits or not. I'm just, oh, hope I didn't poke all the way through. I'm just gonna say that that's about, there you did. I did 2 at the price of 1. Okay, so, oops. Okay, I did actually 7. So that's okay though. I don't think it matters that it's 6 or 7 or 3 or 4. So, okay. So I'm going to stick this in the microwave now, and I'm going to hold it real tight up like this so that I don't spill any of the juice until it's in the microwave, and then I'll spill all the juice in the microwave. Alright guys, so the corn went off a little while ago while I was making the mashed potatoes. Y'all, I feel like I've been cooking all day long. And I think. I've made like four or five things. It's crazy. Some days it's just like that. And I just looked at my hair a while ago and I was like, ugh, it looks like whatever. It doesn't even matter. So I'm going to get the corn out and then we'll go from there. So this has been cooking. Oh, and it's hot. That was smart. That's hot. Okay, that's why you put it in a microwave safe dish, and then you don't have to hold on to very hot corn. So okay. So I'm gonna just stick this corn inside this bowl right here. I'll show you what I'm doing. I just put this corn inside this bowl right here, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna put the lid on it because we're fixing to go. And so if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Sunday Potluck so you can see what's for dinner tomorrow night. And I hope you really enjoy watching these videos. Thanks again. Bye.